Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Thank you for coming back for another day of Tesla analysis. Today, we will begin the episode with correcting my Q3 estimate. There is a formula error in my estimate that caused the total revenue artificially suppressed, and I do apologize. I double checked my formula, and unsurprisingly, there is a major error in there, which I'll walk you through. So my revised result is a lot higher than my initial result, which is no surprise. And a few of you have called it out on the comment down below. I thought that was a little weird that my average selling price was low, but I unfortunately did not check the formula. So I sincerely apologize. It is a learning curve for me. I'm learning along the way. So I really appreciate you guys not only be patient with me, but giving me very constructive feedback. So as an apology for this error, I plan on also publishing a Q&A session toward the weekend so that you guys could ask any question about me, both personal life and professional life, as well as my journey learning about Tesla. If you guys are interested in having your questions answered, please comment down below with Q&A at the beginning of your comments so I know that you want to be mentioned in my video. And I will try to make that video over the weekend. So hopefully that will also give you a little bit of insight about me and as a way to make up and apologize for the error here. But let's get right into the process. We will begin with correcting the projection, and then we will go through technical analysis. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor and a trader, and I'd love to share with you my investing and trading journeys. Thank you very much, and let's get right into it. So for my initial projection, if you note this line right here next to the last row, my average selling price is estimated at 44,000, benchmarking against 42,296 up in Q2. But the problem with this error is that my total delivery number for Q2 was the exact copy of Q3. So I made a mistake copying Q3 total estimate number into Q2, which should have been the case, thereby artificially suppressing the average selling price, causing me to benchmark against that incorrectly for Q3 and Q4. So the entire year is artificially suppressed. So here is the correct version of the estimate where these are truly Q2 delivery number, which is at 201,000, and this is Q3 delivery numbers, which is at 241,000. So that is much better. So that put the delivery number and the average selling price for Q2 at 50,700, and then I slightly increased that number to 51,500 to get the overall revenue at 12.4 billion for automobile, and total revenue for the entire business will be 14.1 billion. Similarly, I'm going to adjust my average selling price for the Q4 at 52,500. I'm getting the overall automobile revenue for Q4 to be 16.5 billion, and overall revenue including energy at 18.5 billion. So with these two revised numbers in mind, and mainly due to the average selling price here, let's take a look over at the income statement. So I hope you can see my income statement projection here. So with both 14 and 18 billion revised respectively, with similar expenses, you are looking at $1.74 earnings per share for the quarter, and $2.55 for Q4 of this year based on these estimates, which make the entire year at $5.92. The stock price projection is now at $14,074. So I do feel much better about these numbers. Once again, I do apologize. The culprit is right here on this line that was accidentally populated with Q3 delivery results. So this number is divided incorrectly. So here's Tesla daily chart. Tesla ended the day today at $864 down over 0.5% from yesterday. The RSI did move down a little bit, which relieved the buying pressure that I mentioned yesterday where Tesla was overbought. Let's take a look at the daily chart here at the detail level. So the retracement today is not even down half of a bar from the yesterday engulfing candle. So we are still okay from a bullish standpoint. It is a possibility that Tesla would move down to 850 before the end of the day tomorrow, or at least touch that and bounce back during the day sometime tomorrow, October 20th. Or worse yet, Tesla could fill the gap. And to fill that gap, it needs to get down to $843. Now, I'm pretty positive that Tesla would fill that gap at some time after earnings, 843, 844. That could also be a good point to enter a call option if Tesla has a blowout quarter, which it likely will. Absolute best case scenario for the bulls, if Tesla moved down to 824 or 818, I think that is an excellent point to enter a call option on the longer term. Now, if Tesla continues to go down, you know what to do. I know that I will be buying Tesla and the support right now, very strong support at 793, 824 and 853. All of these three levels, I will be a buyer in Tesla. The more Tesla move down, the more I will buy. And when it gets to an oversold condition, I will possibly take a leap call option. So I will be looking out for that. I will definitely let you guys know what my thoughts and my move would be. So stay tuned and continue to follow me for more information. So the hourly chart for today, basically it just show a higher low compared to a few days before. So this doesn't really mean much. It's just a mild retracement. Note that it still stopped at around the pivot line here at $865, give or take here. So it is not a big deal, at least this is just a bullish continuation in my mind. For the trading range for tomorrow, based on the pivot tables, you would have 883 on the upper end. The middle pivot point is 868 and the bottom pivot point is at 862. However, with tomorrow being the day before earnings is released, I don't necessarily think that Tesla could conform to these three pivot levels. Tesla could easily spike up in the morning and at some point reach 900 in the morning and then retrace all the way back down to where it started today toward the afternoon. Tesla will be highly volatile tomorrow and Thursday due to earnings release, but I do think that if Tesla get anywhere near any support level, then it is a good opportunity to add shares. So first, we could strategize how we want to do this. Just hypothetically, if Tesla retraced down to 853 Thursday morning, that would be an opportunity to add some shares. At 824, I would seriously be looking at call options and potentially leap call options in addition to adding shares. If Tesla get down to 793, that is an absolute yes on adding shares and leap call options. Now, I don't think Tesla will go down that far. I think it will hovering around 824 and 853, give or take, after earnings, and then it would potentially go back up. If in the event that Tesla gap up and continue to stay there, consolidating, that would be the best case scenario, by the way. So let's just say tomorrow somehow Tesla consolidate another day. And then on Thursday, right after earnings, Tesla would gap up, let's say to 890 or 900 and stay there. If it has an indecision candle there for 1 or 2 days, that would be an excellent opportunity to enter a call option. And yes, that call option could be a little bit more expensive compared to where it is today, but it will have a much more probability to success at that point. So I'll definitely alert you guys if I am to enter a call options. It is dependent on the price action, right? So from here on out, I'm very certain that I want to enter call options. The question is when. And patience will pay off. So we would just have to observe the stock, be patient, and make sure we watch the stock very closely the day after earnings. So that's my thought on Tesla in general for today. Tomorrow, I will be hanging out by Rob Maurer's channel during earnings. I will be listening to the call and watch his notes as well, recording my own notes. But if you guys are interested, I think Rob Maurer is an excellent resource to hang out and watch the earnings results with him. So good luck to all of us Tesla shareholders, and until the next video, bye.